This is a real enjoyment. Absolutely soulful, extremely beautiful atmosphere, and totally I'm soaked in this lovely environment and lively moment out here. Walking along the banks of the pond over here, beautiful pond, absolutely clean, wonderful biodiversity. Look at the old building inside. Coming closer to the pond to have a close view, glimpse of that greenery along the pond, the view of the pond from all sides. With me enjoying, associating absolutely with nature. It gives a fantastic feeling, totally de stresses the mind, the heart, soulful. No other better word than saying it is soulful. That is ultimate in enjoyment. Look at that. Look at that side. Wow.